Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to create a YouTube channel. First of all, open your internet browser. From the upper right hand corner, click on the Google Apps. From here, open the YouTube. You can see the account logo on the upper right hand corner. Click on this logo. Now click on the create a channel. Type here the name of the channel. In the next tab, channel handle address is written. You can modify it. Click on create channel. The channel has been created. Now let's do some other basic settings. Click on customize channel. Click on continue to YouTube Studio. In channel customization, click on branding. Here the first given option is picture. Here we have to upload a channel logo picture. Picture should be 98 x 98 pixels and 4 MB or less in size. The logo picture should also follow the YouTube community guidelines. Click on the upload. Choose the already created logo picture. Customize the channel logo as you like. Then click on done. Channel logo has been uploaded. Next we have to upload banner image. Click on the upload. Choose the banner image file. This area of the banner is watchable on the TV, this one on the desktop, and this one on all devices. Now click on the done button. As you can see, the banner has also been uploaded. Now the next is video watermark. Here you can upload a picture. This picture will be visible on your videos as watermark. Preferably you should upload your channel logo picture here. Click on upload. Choose your watermark image. Here you can customize your picture size. Click on done button. Now you can decide the display time of the watermark image. I am selecting here the entire video. The watermark will be appear during the entire video. Now click on the publish. After clicking on the publish, channel name, channel logo and the banner image will be available to the public. Now let's have a look on the channel just created now. At the upper right hand corner, click on the logo. Then click on the your channel. See that the channel has been fully created. In the next video, we will do some advanced settings of the channel. Stay tuned to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.